So there is one more surprise for you all. There is with us Archana Kocharji.
Hi,
So
everybody. Hi, everybody. I'm so happy to be here, Chetali.
thank you, Archana. Thanks a lot. And this is a surprise to all my entrepreneurs. Nobody knows that you are supposed to come today. Thank you so much for coming, Archana.
Yes, it's absolutely my pleasure. And I think we have a lot of entrepreneurs here. And what I'd like to speak about is that, we as entrepreneurs, all of us are going through actually, like a challenging, difficult time right now, where a lot of us, are wondering and, questioning ourselves often that when will things actually get back to normal? Will they ever get back to normal? When will we, so a lot of people are going through the stress of that whole thing. So what I'd like to address is that, right now is actually, we've never been given a time off in our lives. So right now if you look at it in another direction, we have right now a time where we can invest in learning. So, whichever trade we are in, whichever line we are in, so often we think that, somebody's better than us because they knew something, or we want to consolidate because we've run so fast in our life and achieved so much that we've been so busy, getting, so many of our accolades together. So I think this is the best time to consolidate and the best time to even today work every single day, even though the things are there are no customers as such in the market. There are very few customers, but they will come and things will get back to normal, and we have to believe that, and we have to put our strongest foot forward when they get back to normal. So I think it's an amazing time right now for all of us to invest in new learnings, and in consolidating our present enterprises as entrepreneurs, and in investing ourselves in remaining in having a positive mindset. So this is what I'd like to say, because I have a lot of my friends, and everybody's question is always, everybody is so worried. So we have to work and get out of that worry and make ourselves stronger, because we are women entrepreneurs, and what we do is every stone that's thrown towards us, we take it and we make it one of the stones of our castle, and that becomes a castle eventually. So we know how to turn every adversity into an opportunity, and that's what we have to do. So that's all that I'd like to say. So thank you so much, and thank you for inviting me to join, Chetali, and I'm very happy to have joined today. So all the best to everybody. Have a great, wonderful day.
Thank you so much, Archana, for coming in and just, if possible, be here for some time and see what our women have over here to showcase.
Sure. I'll be there for some time.
So now let's start. I'm extremely excited to see the exclusive